Locksmith Williamsburg, Brooklyn is a respected and widely acclaimed provider of locksmith services. We provide services for all kinds of security requirements. In particular, we cover automotive, residential, and commercial security requirements. Whether it's rekeying, car replacements, break-ins and lockouts, safe and vault installations, we're available and capable of handling just anything. We ensure continued provision of quality and reliable service by getting only the best of locksmiths to work for us. Just call us today for any locksmith need, and the quick response of our locksmith team will ensure that your needs are taken care of quickly. Call us now at 718-395-2801 for big Locksmith Williamsburg, Brooklyn savings. Now.